Explorer 3500 is a nuclear moisture density gauge for field measurements of soils, concrete, and asphalt pavements. Our engineers' 50 years of combined nuclear gauge experience make the Instrotech Explorer a highly advanced, extremely dependable, and easy-to-use nuclear gauge. The Explorer 3500 meets all AASHTO and ASTM standards. The Explorer's triple-sealed surface mount electrical components have been designed to ensure superior field performance, increase dependability, and reduce maintenance costs. The Explorer's precision-machined aluminum base, as compared to cast aluminum bases, ensures repeatability between gauges, durability over time, and accurate test results. The perfect fit between the plastic top shell and the base act to further keep moisture and debris from getting inside the Explorer 3500. The Explorer's software is straightforward and easy to use. The simple keyboard layout and menu options make it easy for field technicians to set up for tests and quickly obtain results. The Explorer also features a non-contact auto depth sensor that lasts 10 times longer than traditional auto depth strips, ensuring correct depth selection with every test. Backlit LCD for twilight or nighttime work. Auto scroll mode allows test results to scroll automatically once the test is complete. IntelliCharge monitors charging and automatically disconnects the charging circuit once the battery reaches a full charge. It also gives operators an 8-hour buffer once low battery warning is displayed. Temperature sensors monitor the Explorer's internal temperature, assuring the gauge operates within the required temperature range. At Instrotech, we understand that your nuclear gauges are assets that need to be kept operational and in the field. That is why every detail of the Explorer 3500 has been engineered to reduce maintenance costs, improve durability, and increase accuracy. The Explorer offers a 2-year warranty and is backed by Instrotech's exceptional, industry-leading customer service. Superior electronics, advanced features, and durability makes the Explorer 3500 the rock-solid choice.